Good morning, guys. This is your math video for March 5th. So let's go ahead and move into our first problem. The expanded notation of a number is shown. So here's our expanded notation. Okay, what is the standard form of this number? So this is a place value question. So, and we want the standard form, which is just the regular form of a number. Okay. So we need to draw our place value chart. Go ahead and grab your piece of paper and a pencil and draw this chart with me, please. We have one line across and 5 going down. And remember, if I'm going too fast and you need to slow down, just pause the video, catch up, and then click play. So we start with our ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. Okay? Now that we have our place value chart, we can draw our numbers. So I know I have a 9 in the 10,000s place, which is right here. So I'm going to put my 9. I have a 4 in the hundreds place, 4 times 100. And I have a 1 in the tens place. Now I need to fill in my gaps. So I have a gap here, which is a 0, and I have a gap here, which is a 0. So which of these answer choices matches what we got on our place value chart? Always put it into a place value chart, guys, because you're going to always get the correct answer if you do it correctly. Next question. All right. Noah has 48 cookies. The model represents what he did with the cookies. So here's my 48 cookies. Based on the model, which of these could explain what Noah did with the cookies? So just by looking at this picture, describe this picture. Where are the cookies? So we know we have 48 cookies. Okay, what else do we have? What are the cookies in? The cookies are in bags. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags. Okay, so I have 8 bags, and I have 2 crossed out, right? So I have 2 of those. Okay, so he put 48 cookies divided by 8 cookies in each of 8 bags, and 8 2 times 6 cookies. Okay, so this is saying he put the 48 cookies and then he put 8 cookies in each bag. How many cookies are in each bag? I have 6 cookies in each bag. So don't get mixed up with number of bags and number of cookies in each bag. So why is letter F wrong? Well, letter F is showing that they put 8 cookies into a bag, but we didn't. We put 6. So we can get rid of F. He put 48 cookies divided by 6 cookies into each of 8 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 2 times 8 of the cookies. Okay. Alright, so let's go back here real quick. Okay. So I want to look at F again. We have 48 divided by 8 cookies, right? So we know 48 divided by 8 is 6. So I was mistaken there, guys. We do know that there's 6 cookies in each bag. Okay, let's look at the cookies he ate. Okay, He ate 6 and 6. That's why they're crossed out. So he ate 6 times 2. So we're looking for the 48 cookies divided into the 8 bags, right? And then he ate 2 times the 6 of those bags. So which of these answer choices shows that? It is for sure F. We can automatically get rid of H and J because we're not using addition here. We're using multiplication and we're not using subtraction. So really we're just looking at F and G, and we know G is wrong because of the 2 times 8. We're not looking at 2 times 8, we're looking at 2 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He ate 2 bags of 6. And that's why they're being crossed off. Okay? Alright. There are 4 books on a shelf. So we know we have 4 books. We know we have 4 books. In the model, the shaded books represent nonfiction. So shaded is nonfiction. So I'm going to label that nonfiction, nonfiction, and nonfiction. Which expression represents the fraction of the books on the shelf that are nonfiction? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 nonfiction books, 3/4, right? 3 out of the 4. Well, they put the answer choices into unit fractions. So how do I break up 3/4 into a unit fraction? I still need my, remember you guys, your denominator never changes. Okay, it's still going to be a 4. So I'm going to have 1/4, 2 1/4, 3 1/4, because my top number is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The answer is B. Okay. The frequency table shows the number of points scored by each player on a basketball team during the game. What is the combined number of points scored by Stephen, Alfred, Pete, and Wesley? So we have a frequency table here, and remember we always need a label, so we need to label all these numbers. And we're looking for Stephen, Alfred, Pete, and Wesley. So that means I don't need Hayes, I don't need Eric, I don't need Kenji. Remember guys, it's always good to get rid of ones you don't need. So I need Stephen, Alfred, Pete, and Wesley. So those are the names I need. Okay? Be careful not to add all of these numbers because it's not asking for all of the points scored. It's asking for these 4 people. So Stephen, I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So Stephen has 14 points. Alfred has 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Pete has 8. And Wesley has 6. And my keyword is combined, so what am I doing with all those numbers? I'm adding them. So I have 14, 4, 8, and 6. Be careful to line up all your 1s together. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have my 2, carry my 2, 2 plus 1. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Let's do that again. I have 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 8 more is 16. Plus 6 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, we got the right number. So I have my 2, and I carry my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 31. Okay? And our last question. The model shown can represent two number sentences. So what does this look like we have here? Looks like we have an array, right? I have a 2 by 3 array. And that's going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Which number sentence can the model represent? So let's look at 3 times 3. What multiplication fact is represented here? Yep, we have 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. Either way, it's the same thing. Okay? So I know I'm not doing 3 times 3, even though I do know 3 plus 3 is 6. But I'm not doing 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We're looking for 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So both of those equal 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now, this is where it gets tricky, guys. Right here, don't count that as being 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. It's not 6. Okay, it's 2 times 2. So if you look at 2 times 2, that equals 4. And then they're taking 4 times 2, which equals 8. So it's 3 sets of multiplication. So that's going to equal 8. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So which is the only answer choice that gives us 6 on both? B. And we know it's B because we have 3 times 2 is 6. And we have 3 plus 3. Okay? Alright guys, go ahead and start working on your Canvas. Please make sure you take notes and show your work for every single question.